Welcome back to another video in our coding series. In today's lesson, we're going to see how a computer can do multiplication live. Let's get started. Last time, we learned how a computer can do a multiplication operation. We also learned something very important. In math class, we use the multiplication sign, the little crossed lines. But in Python, we use the asterisk, the little star, to multiply. And that's how we tell the computer to do multiplication. Our first example for today will be 2 multiplied by 3. But before we start coding, let's quickly review the steps we need to follow. First, we make a label called first number, and we put the number 2 inside it. Then, we make another label called second number, and we put the number 3 inside it. Next, we tell the computer to multiply them, and we save the answer in a brand new label called result. So we write result equals first number multiplied by second number. And last, we write print, open parenthesis, result, close parenthesis. That means, computer, show us the answer on the screen. All right, now let's open our browser. Type pythononline.net and hit enter. And here we are. Welcome to our coding playground. So our first example is 2 multiplied by 3. First we write first number equals 2. Then we write second number equals 3. Next we write result equals first number multiplied by second number. And finally we write print, open parentheses, result, close parentheses. Now let's run it and see what happens. Oh, I see 6! So the computer thinks 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Now let's double check with a calculator. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. It matches. Great job. That means our code worked perfectly. Now, I actually had a bunch of practice examples ready for today, but I had to change the plan just a little bit, because a few days ago, it was Python's birthday, and he had a huge celebration. So, since he's the birthday star, we decided to let him pick the next 2 multiplication examples. And these are the ones he chose. So our second example is 4 multiplied by 5. Can you guess what the result will be? I'll give you a second to think. All right, let's see if you got it right. We're going to follow the same steps we used earlier. We'll use the same labels, but this time we'll put different numbers inside them. Then we'll calculate the result, and finally, we'll print the answer on the screen. So first, we write first number equals 4. Then we write second number equals 5. Next, we write result equals first number multiplied by second number. And finally, we write print, open parentheses, result, close parentheses. All right, now let's hit run and see what happens. And ta-da! It gave us 20. Awesome. Now let's double check with a calculator. So 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. Do the 2 answers match? Yes! Great job! Now, our third example is 6 multiplied by 3. Can you guess what the answer will be? Take a second to think about it. All right, let's see if you got it right. So first, we write first number equals 6. Then we write second number equals 3. Next, we write result equals first number multiplied by second number. And finally, we write print, open parenthesis, result, close parenthesis. All right, now let's hit run. And the answer is 18. Let's double check with a calculator just to be 100% sure. So 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. Yes, amazing job. All right, great job today, everyone. Next time, we're going to explore a brand new operation, division. Get ready, it's going to be fun. See you in the next lesson.